Are you planning a Galentine Day party for your bridal squad, your ride or die girls? Well, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Ejiro of Ejiro Celebration, a floral and event design company based out of Nashville, Tennessee. In this channel, I share wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and DIY party decorations. So Valentine's Day is around the corner, and the day before Valentine's Day on the 13th is now popularly known as Galentine's Day. It gives us an opportunity for girlfriends to come together and have fun, no boys allowed. Have fun and celebrate each other. And one of the best girl team squad that you can have is your bridal squad. They're going to be there for you as you plan your wedding. They're going to be investing in your wedding because they're going to have to buy clothes and everything you need to represent and to be present for you and make your dream a reality. Galentine's Day gives you a great opportunity to celebrate this group of women, your sister friends, who will be there to support you during this important journey you're about to make. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 basic things you will need to throw a successful Galentine's Day party for your bridal squad. So number 1, you will need some decoration. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It can be as easy as going to your local grocery store and getting some balloons. They are everywhere now in all shapes and sizes, and just flood the room with balloons. It can be as easy as getting a floral arrangement and putting it on your dining table or on your island. Everything depends on what theme you want for your Galentine's Day celebration. It's all about you and your girlfriend, so whatever you think that they will like or whatever you all have in common can be the theme for your Galentine's Day. I have behind me some red and pink balloon garlands. You can go as far as you want. If you're creative, create one. Otherwise, this works very well. From the Dollar Tree, it's $1 for one, so you can flood the whole room in pink and red, and we'll all be happier for it. So number 1, you will need some decorations. Number 2, I'm just going to cheat a little because I'll need number 2 to create number 3. You will need some plates. Now everything depends on your team. If you're the kind that wants to have a full-fledged lunch or brunch, or where you're all seated for this Galentine's Day celebration, then you might want to use glass plates. However, nowadays you can find online on Amazon or even Walmart some premium plastic plates. So they're not your conventional paper plates. They look as good as real and can give you that elegance that you want. So these plates and cutleries are gold. They don't have to be all colorful cutleries all the time. They're gold cutlery. They are premium party plates and flatware. That's an idea. If you want to go for the color, after all it's Valentine's Day, flood everywhere with red and pink, you can find this at your local grocery stores. There are so many designs that it's even hard to choose, and also the napkins to match. So whatever style or theme you want to express yourself this Galentine's Day, then you can choose accordingly. Now for the important part of the Galentine's Day celebration, your drink. So the third thing you need is a nice cocktail, a nice champagne or rosé wine for your girls. And of course, to make it more fun, you can have some juices to make it mimosas or fruit cocktails, whatever cocktails you like, or mocktails that you want. This is a great opportunity to have that with your lunch or brunch or dinner, whichever time of the day you're having your celebration. So I'll be showing you the first cocktail here. I have gone ahead to squeeze some raspberry juice. That's why I didn't want to call it mimosas, because it's not citrus based. However, I've squeezed some raspberry juice in here, mixed with some lemonade. So we're going to start with that, and then we're going to top it off with some champagne. And then to garnish, we're just going to put some raspberry in there. Here you have it. It's ready for your girlfriends to come in and have their drinks ready. You can set it up as a bar. Everybody can make the mix of their choice or liking. Or they can go straight to the champagne if they don't want to add any fruits to their drink. I forgot to mention that these glasses were also gotten from the Dollar Tree. They are premium floats. It's also nice. At the end of your party, you don't have to think of washing your dishes. You just throw everything away and everybody's happy with what they have. It's a very great presentation. It gives you the luxurious look for a lot cheaper. So you have your drink. Number 3, your drink is squared. You have that. And now we're going to go to number 4. Number 4 is your food. Well, for food, everything depends on you. I'm not cooking for Galentine. I would prefer to order in. So you order in from your favorite restaurant. If you want to go for brunch, then you order in from any breakfast place that you have. Like if you want comfort food, you can get a specialty pizza, whatever you like. So you order your food based on what you have. So number 4, you would need some real food. Also with the real food comes some dessert. I'm all about that. There's a lot of chocolate everywhere. You can't go wrong with having hats everywhere in Valentine colors. So you could have a candy bar if you want. You can have a dessert bar if you want. So like here I have some examples of some desserts. I have a parfait. I have macarons, a 3-berry pie that I got from my local bakery. So this is the time to patronize your local bakery, shop small owned businesses at this time, and why not share the love also to them. So you can have a dessert bar or a candy bar, whichever floats your boat, whichever you like. Finally, the best part for me is having some gifts. So right now in the everything depends on what you like and what you want to share with them. This is all about you and your girlfriends. You know what they like, you know what you want to share. So I personally like to give self-care products. So we have here a nice candle bought from the local store. If you have a favorite brand, this is the time to share it with your friends, what you like. So some candles, you can never go wrong with candles. A little size perfume. And then some bath salts, why not? While they're soaking the hot tub with the candle on and maybe some drink by their side so that they'll have a restful weekend. This is also in the line of some bath salts. It's rose petal scents that they can put in the bathtub and relax. You need them to relax before your special day. Also, you can find a lot of nice pink boxes, gift bags ready to use for your Galentine Day celebration. Now so I've said the 5 things you need. You need your gifts, you need your drinks, food, decoration, and plates and flatware. Now there's one bonus thing you need, which will be an activity. What do you plan to do while eating and celebrating and taking pictures will be an activity. You could do a movie. If there's a movie that you feel you want to share with your girlfriend, you could have that movie play. You could do some games. There's so many games right now. The good thing about having games, because a lot of people are doing Zoom, will be it can be your friends who couldn't join you, or your bridal squad who couldn't join you can online participate in the games. So think of, for me, to be love songs. It's Valentine's Day, Valentine period anyway. It could be love song, love movies, just reminiscing, whatever you guys all like together. This is the opportunity to laugh about it, be competitive, because we all like a good challenge, and have fun. So if you found these tips useful, please share in the comment below. Also share your best tips for Galentine's Day celebration, and let me know if you're a bride planning a Galentine's Day for her bridal squad. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this has been useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell below. Thank you so much. Bye.